Good morning to you students. Welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach you the subject mathematics and the topic is subtraction. Okay. In the previous class you have learnt about the addition. Okay. Yes, plus symbol. How do you add? Okay. When you have one item and if you add one more to that, okay, then it will be 2. Yes. So you have learned the concept of addition yesterday, right? Okay. In today's class let us learn, okay, about the subtraction. Subtraction means you are removing certain numbers, you are removing the count. Okay, yes. Okay, now let's see how it is. Okay, children, you have four balls here. Okay, 4 balls are here. Okay, now some 3 balls were 3 balls you have given to someone. Okay, yes, you have given these 3 balls to your friends. Okay, now I want to know what is remaining with you. Okay, how do you know how what is remaining with you now? 4 you had earlier. Okay, children, yes, you just use your fingers now. 4 you had earlier. Now 1 you have given to Ram, 1 you have given to Ramesh, 1 you have given to your friend Kishore. Okay, now what is pending with you? Yes, this is only 1 ball remains with you. Okay, so this is called subtraction. Okay, you are knowing the remaining things. Okay, when things are given, what is remaining? Okay, that we call as that process we call it as subtraction. 4 minus 3 equals how much? 1. Okay, now yesterday I showed you how to use these lines. Okay, 4 you had. Okay, now 1 you gave to someone, second also you gave 3, so you just cut 3. Okay, now see what is pending with you. Only 1. Okay, that is how you learn the subtraction. Now here you have some pencils. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 pencils you had with you. Okay, how many? 6. Okay, now you lost these 2 pencils. Okay, you lost those 2 pencils. Now let me remove 1 and 2. 2 is removed. Okay, now what is pending with you? That is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the remaining. Okay, 4 is the remaining. Even this also you can do using this. Okay, you have 6 pencils, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now 2 is given to someone, right? 1 and 2 is given. Okay, just forget these 2. Okay, now let's see what is remaining with us. 1 2 3 4. So 4 is a number pending with you. So now how do you say 6 minus 2 equals 4? What is that? What's the count? 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay, now see, you have some flowers with you. 1 2 3. Okay, now one flower is already dried. Okay, it's dried and it's a waste. Okay, you don't see that flower at all. Okay, now out of 3 flowers, if you remove 1, okay, what's the balance? 1 and 2, right? You have only 2 remaining. Yes, you need to minus this. Okay, children, out of 3 you are minusing this, so you will get only 2. Okay, so you'll get 2. So subtraction is also very easy. You are just trying to remove certain things. Okay, and you will remember only the balance or the pending ones. Okay, children, yes, in your textbook you can find lot of exercises related to that. Okay, I will show you some. Okay, you have some balls given here, children. Can you see that? Yes, out of 4 balls 3 is minused. Okay, out of 4 balls 3 is minus. What is the pending? Only 1. So 4 minus 3. Okay, children, one more thing I wanted to tell. When you say subtraction, okay, you have to use this sign. Okay, that is minus sign. Okay, yesterday you learnt about the addition, right? This is a plus sign, this is a minus sign. This you have to keep in your mind. Okay, yes. Now 4 apples are on the chair. Okay, here can you find 4 apples on the chair? Yes, 2 apples fall down. Okay, it fell down. Now what is remaining? 4 were there, 2 were down, so what's pending? 2. 1 and 2. Can you see this? Okay, you can even find it here. See, out of 4, 2 are here, 2 are down. So 2 minus 2 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now 5 books are in the bookshelf. See, there are 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books are in the bookshelf. Out of that, 3 books are taken out. You have taken those out, okay? 3 books. What is remaining in your bookshelf? You had 5, you removed 3, then what is remaining? You have 2, 1, 2. Okay, go to do this exercise activity in your house. Okay, do you have a shelf? Yes, keep some 5 books. Okay, just remove some 3 books out of that. Okay, then you see what is the count remaining in the bookshelf. Okay, what is the remaining books? You just know that. Okay, that's 2. Answer is 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, now 6 cups are on the table. Children, 6 cups are on the table. Then 2 cups are taken away. So 2 cups we have taken away. Out of 6, if you take 2, what is pending? Okay, out of 6, if you take 2, if you remove 2, then pending is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So 4 is the answer. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now 7 roses are in the vase. 7 roses are in the vase. Okay, 3 roses are taken away. 3 roses someone taken away. Okay, now what is pending? Can you hold your fingers? 7 count. Yes, 3 you remove. 1, 2, 3. What's pending? It's 4. Okay, see, 7 remove 3. Okay, now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have 4 remaining with you. Okay, let's see. 8 spoons are in the bowl. Okay, there were 8 spoons in the bowl and 3 spoons were taken away. Okay, out of 8 they have taken the 3 spoons. Okay, how is that? 8, 3 is already removed, then remaining is 5. Okay, now 9 pencils are in the box. 2 pencils are taken away. Out of 9 children, okay, 9 pencils. Out of 9 pencils, 2 were removed. Then what is pending? This is 7. Okay. Yes. How do you count 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's it. That is how you need to count. Okay. Yes. Children, in addition you just add, but in subtraction you just remove it. Okay, that's it. Yes. Now write how many are left in each set. See, Anu had 7 balloons. Okay, she gave 2 to her friends. Okay, what's left with her, children? Yes, see here, see the picture. 7 balloons Anu had. Okay, she gave 2, then remaining is 5. Can you count 5 balloons here? Yes, you can count 5 balloons there. Imad had 6 flowers. He gave 2 to his teachers. Okay, then what is pending? Yes, it is 4. Okay, yes. Bunny had 4 carrots. One rabbit had 4 carrots. Okay, he ate 2. Out of 4, he ate 2. What is the balance? It is 2. Okay, can you see that in the picture? Yes. Amit had 3 ice creams. He gave 2 to his sisters. What is left now? Okay, he had total how many? 3 ice creams. He gave 2 to his sister. So there is only 1 left out. Okay, children? Yes. There are 6 pencils in a box. 2 got lost. Okay, what is the answer? 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay. Tommy had 6 puppies. 3 ran away. Out of 6, 3 ran away. What is the answer pending? Pending puppies were, what are the, how many puppies are left? Only 3. Yes. There are 6 kinds of fruits in a tray. Okay, 2 were hidden. Okay, now what is the answer? If you minus 6, if you minus 2 out of 6, answer is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. And one more, last one. You see, Krish had 8 sweets. Okay, he ate 3. Out of 8 sweets, he ate 3. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Count it. 5 sweets. Can you find that? Yes. Okay, children, this is how you need to learn the subtraction. Subtraction is very easy. Just you need to remove the numbers which is given on the left side. Okay, see, I will write some more. 5 4. 5 minus 4. Okay, 5 things you have, and how many you have to remove? 4. 1 2 3 4. So what is the answer? Pending is 1. Okay, yes. Now 3 minus 1. Let us see. 3 you had. Okay, 3 ice creams you got. 1 ice cream you ate. Okay, then what is answer? What is pending with you? You have 2. Okay, yes. Now let me do one more. 7 you got. Okay, 5 you want to minus. Okay, okay. Think, for example, 7 books you got. Okay, out of that 7 books, okay, you gave 5 to your teacher. Okay, you had 7 books, 5 completely you gave to your teacher. Okay, now what is pending, children? 1 2. So you have only 2 pending. Okay, yes. So this is a way you need to subtract the numbers. Okay, got it? I hope you understood the subtraction method. Okay, yes. Always, children, you need to subtract from the bigger number. Okay, when you have 2 and 3, you can't subtract from 2 to 3. Okay, what you have to do, you take 3 first in your hand, then from the bigger number you subtract the smaller number. Okay, yes. If you have 8 and 9 number, from 9 you just remove 8, then the answer is 1. Okay, yes. I hope you understood this class, and I'm going to meet you with something more interesting in my next class. Okay, I want you to do this subtraction and addition activities in your home. Okay, and so that you can learn that better. Okay, and you can keep that in your mind. Okay, take care of yourself, children, and I'm going to meet you in my next class with something more interesting for you. Okay, keep watching the videos always. Okay, yes. Thanks for watching now. Bye.